Alright guys, super psyched about today. Today we're going to be meeting up with my buddy Derek. We're going to go out west. We're going to go bass fishing. Never been out to this area before, so it should be super cool. He says there's some really big bass out here. Hopefully we can get on some. I think we're going to be fishing with senkos actually. I'm not sure. Not something I normally do, but definitely want to check it out. Definitely ready. I've been chomping at the bit all week to do this, so let's go check it out. Let's go see if we can get something done. Dude, it is spooky foggy out here. Wow. Boy, I hope Derek knows where he's going. I'm gonna get lost.
There's like a little.
Say hi.
Hello.
I'll put you on the camera.
There's like a little pocket over here.
But
when you walk this way, you'll get into some shitty. I mean, shitty terrain-wise, but not a lot of people. There's no foot traffic.
that's fine. That's what I want to do, dude. All right, man. So what are you gonna fish? Are you gonna fish a senko?
Yeah, I'm just gonna throw plastics all over.
That's fine. Oh, there you go. That's it.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a small one too.
No weights, no nothing.
All right. All right. You got a couple extra of those bad boys?
Yeah.
All right, cool. This is what you caught that big one on the other day?
Yeah. Just I'll fish. Seriously, George, I'll fish that probably 75% of the time I'm out here trying to fish bass.
That's cool. All right, let me go grab my stuff.
You have any plastics with you, swim baits or anything?
I brought some stuff with me, but I don't have any worms like that or senkos or no. Whatever you. I got like frogs and stuff like that. Yada yada yada. I just threw on a friggin' case of.
All the time.
Yeah. I got a zoom on from the last time I was fishing. I got some zooms, and then I threw on a prop bait in case we can get on a little bit of top water or something first thing in the morning. You know what I mean?
Less is more.
I know. Normally I friggin' go out with a bag too, but like if I don't know where I'm going and stuff or what I'm doing, I like to like bring some other shit, because then I'm always like, oh shit, I should have brought that. You know what I mean? Which way are we going? We going this way or the other way?
We're gonna go this way.
Alright, I didn't even know you could go this way.
I've pretty much walked this entire property when they opened it
That's cool.
for like 6 months.
Nice.
But I was working out here, so I'd come out here in the morning.
Is that you?
A couple of miles, yeah. And
Oh, there's a friggin', I didn't even know there was a friggin'.
yeah, you put in right. This is where you put in. You paddle through. This is a good spot to go. This is a good spot to go with.
It's pretty. I've been, well, I was talking to Blaze about it. He said he went canoeing back here a couple of times, but he didn't really catch nothing.
When this first opened and it was all catch and release, Matt was patrolling out here. We would come out here and we'd jump on the truck. You'd have 10 guys lugging 5-gallon buckets all over this place. And there's probably 10 culvert pipes that run along that side over there. At the end of every one of them, you'd have a guy fishing with shiners.
Oh yeah?
And the entire time you're catching 1 2-pound bass, non-stop, one right after the other. And
That's what that kid was doing right on the first culvert pipe.
they're non-stop. There's hundreds of them on every pipe. Just sit there. You're gonna get some really wet feet.
Whatever. I mean, it's not like something I haven't done before. I think I'm gonna put a frog on. Now I fucking see this shit. Wow, holy freaking lily pads, like craziness.
Yeah, it's a lot of cold weather too.
I'm gonna go put a frog on, dude. If we're gonna fish shit like this, you know. Yeah, there ain't no way I'm even gonna attempt to fish top water. Are you gonna throw in this or what?
Yeah.
It's silly to even try. You get like a 5-pound bass out of a 3-pound lake.
Right here, I'm telling you right now.
Right?
On at least 3 or 4 occasions, I've caught a fish here that weighs 4 pounds. In this little tiny pocket.
That's what I'm saying, like 5-pound fish out of a 3-pound lake. Yeah, this is like retarded kind of cover. Get one? You get hit?
I did, he's gonna keep it. Don't bang out a bunch of weights.
I'm wrecking your workout.
Alright.
Well, then I guess we better catch some fish. Oh!
That was a big fish, dude.
Oh my God.
That's a tank, dog.
Oh my God.
You better get up on there.
Oh my God. Dude. I ain't never
Get that head up, dude.
Oh my God.
That's 70 pounds, bro.
Oh my God, he's stuck.
Keep going, keep going.
Yo, can you grab him, dude? Oh my God, are you kidding me? Oh my God.
Back up.
Dude, are you serious? Look at that fish in that little pond. Oh my God. Oh, are you serious? Oh my God, dude. Wow, dude. Wow, dude, check that out. Is my camera recording?
You're beeping red. Look at that.
Good.
Nice fish, huh?
Dude, I can't believe that shit. That's silly. In this little pond.
I told you, man.
Oh my God.
Nobody knows that that's here.
Oh my God.
Check that out.
Let me see that. Wow, that's a bass, boys and girls. Look at that. That's fucking awesome, man. I can't believe it. That's so cool. Here, dude, hold on one second. Let me give you my camera. Are you kidding me?
I got a bunch of pictures here.
I want to take some video, dude. That's stupid. Wow, man. That is incredible.
Big tanker.
Here you go.
I left my scale in the truck, too.
That's alright. Here you go, dude.
6-7 pounds.
Boy, first fish of the day. Check it out, boys and girls. Wow, what a tank.
Nicely done.
Dude, out of a puddle. I gotta love it.
Check it out. Little puddle. Put that cow back in there.
Wow. That's amazing. I can't believe the size of this fish. Let's go let her go. Wow. Wow, what a fish. See? Oh my God, that's worth getting wet for. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude, that was so awesome. I can't believe the size. Are you kidding me?
Dude. Alright, so we can walk back over that way and fish that pocket.
I don't care, whatever you want to do.
Let's do that.
Is there another like piece of water over here? Or is it you're talking about? Just I like the first one. Right?
There's a bunch of hog walking around out here all the time.
We can't hunt out here, right?
Definitely for sure. It's gonna get wet, dude.
I ain't worried about it, dude. Done way worse. Right? Oh, that looks neat. That looks oh wow, that's like 100% different than what we just fished too.
Yeah.
Like no pads in it at all. It's all like freaking reed grass and shit. So you just randomly walk around through the middle of this shit?
Yeah.
Did you Google Earth any of this stuff?
Yeah, I mean, I come in here and
Like sit here with your phone and out in the middle of this shit?
I mean, I don't know. When I first started coming out here, you didn't really have a lot of coverage out here, you know?
Oh yeah?
What you do is you Google Earth and snap a bunch of pictures.
Like, cause this is like so random, it's not even funny.
Yeah.
Like, we're out in the middle of the fucking marsh, right? Just wandering around, no path, no nothing.
This is guerrilla warfare fishing. All those dudes who run around neighborhoods on sidewalks and hop fences.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
This is where you come and find fish.
Wow. This place is amazing. So cool. Look at that. Just friggin' fog on the water. Early in the morning. Just got done catching a tank. And this is what we got. You never canoed or kayaked this thing?
You know, every time I've had an opportunity to do it, it was just...
You can't really fish this in the summer, can you?
Yeah.
It looks like it'd be too wet. Oh! There we go. Oh my god! Oh, he's not that big. Got him out of that. Definitely pales in comparison to the last one, but I'll take it. Right? There you go. Bass number 2. Bass number 1 could have ate bass number 2, but let's go get rid of him. Right? Right.
I have a lot of responses to this stuff. Holy you guys are crazy.
I like this, dude. We need to catch a couple more fish so I can put it on camera. Damn. Alright, let me see if I can. You renegotiate your shoes. I'm going to renegotiate a bass. Like. Oh! Oh my god! Dude, he hit it right in the middle of nothing. It just came straight out of the water. Damn, dude. Get her done. There you go. That'll work. That ain't a bad little fish. Do I need to be throwing on a zoom? I might throw one on now. That ain't a bad little fish. Did you? He ain't bad. A fish, right? There you go. Yay, there we go. He ain't a monster, but he ain't a monster by any means. Dude, they just keep getting smaller and smaller. I don't know what's going on here. I start off huge and end up tiny. That's for sure. There you go. Little swamp bass right there. Get her done. See ya. They're definitely throwing down. I'm gonna walk up past you a little bit. There we go. Peanut. Peanut. Baby, baby. Little guy. Definitely the peanut. I hooked him through the tongue too. Hooked him through the tongue. Poor guy. Another little bass. Check it out. Boom. I would have thought for sure the top water would have worked back here, but it doesn't appear so. Oh. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Getting better. Starting to get better again. Working my way back up. Right? I let him eat it really a lot too. Nice little bass. There you go. Check it out. Beautiful day out. Let him go. See you, buddy. Goodbye. Oh, there you go. Let me see. What, did he get smacked on by a gator or something? Oh yeah, he got full marks. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. He got the tail end of something. Right. That sucks. Thanks, brother. Super fucking
Fall
cool.
down, dog.
I ain't gonna fall. I know, I've seen you slip in a couple times. There's definitely a lot of animal tracks, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, dude, it's super healthy out here. It's really, really cool to be here at sunrise.
I bet.
And you can catch a whole lot of really, really cool sights. It's definitely healthy. What's the date? It's LP25.
Alright, we're definitely done for today. I've had enough. We pretty much trudged through water to hell and back. Never really got another big fish like that first one, but I guess that's what happens sometimes. You know, you get the best one first and then it's a little bit slower from there. We definitely caught a lot of fish, but most of them were really small, but it was super cool. Definitely different kind of bass fishing than I expected. Derek's definitely hardcore. He just took off, so, but it was neat. You know, definitely a cool place to check out. So, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. See ya.